In this video, we will introduce the issues that can occur when pairing multiple power meters on an edge, and how to fix them. Scenario 1. You are training outdoor with one of your bikes. A rally pedal power meter is installed. Your edge is connected to it but also paired to the power meters on your other bikes. During your ride, the power meter works well, but the edge keeps searching for other power meters left at home. This will consume extra battery power. Scenario 2. Your bike has two power meters. A rally pedal power meter and a crank power meter. Your edge is paired to both the power meters. During your ride, the edge might randomly switch between these two power meters. One moment you're reading data from rally, then it suddenly drops to 0. A few seconds later, it reappears, but the reading is from the other power meter. You might also think the reading seems a bit weird, because you probably only calibrated one of them before your ride. Scenario 3. You are training indoor with your Tacx and edge. And you have a rally pedal power meter for outdoor training. Both the rally and the Tacx Smart Trainer are paired to your edge. During your ride, you might find the incline disappears suddenly. This is because your edge is disconnected from Tacx and connected to rally. As a result, you cannot access Tacx's simulated inclines feature. The solutions are the same for all the three scenarios. Select Menu. Sensors. Select the unused power meter. Turn it off. Repeat to turn off all the unused sensors. And that's it. Thanks for watching.